everyone's looking for flexibility. Everyone's looking for guaranteed outcomes, but more importantly, they're looking for a partner that can take kind of all the disconnected touch points that advertising is today, the atomized framework of every communication plan, and bring it together. And that's really our strategy at Publicis, which is it's connected media to connect your CRM, your retail media, your influencers and creators, and your commerce. And I think that's why we're winning right now, is because we can move with our clients, we can ride the ups and downs, and we can show them the upsides.
Yeah, Publicis is no stranger to Cannes Lion. You feel like that's where all that connectivity is happening?
That's a different type of connectivity. That's the human connectivity, which is, I think, much more important this year than ever before. And probably moving forward, the most important thing to try and measure, which is like, what's real? Is this real? Is the person I'm talking to real? Is this content real? And we've been talking about this idea of slow influence. We acquired Influential and Captivate, and we have 15 million authenticated creators that all of our brands work with. And being able to measure that connection, I think that authenticity and realness will be a luxury good soon.
A luxury good. And so you kind of touched on it, but is that something you feel like the market can't measure, but it means a lot to your brand?
Yeah, it's we're definitely trying to measure it in all the possible ways, but the thing that you can't measure is sometimes the intangible, kind of the fairy dust in that connection. But we know the ingredients to make it, and we know what the outcomes at the other end of it will be. So I think kind of measuring that middle bit's the last mile.
Well, can't wait to see what Publicis keeps cooking. Thanks for joining me.
Absolutely, thank you so much.